Yo, what's good, y'all? What's good, man? It's your boy Vacation Time with Ryan. I'm out here, Sawgrass Mills Mall. I ain't been here in probably more than 10 years. So, just want to check out the vibes since I was close by. Doesn't look as busy as it once was, but the parking lot was full. So, maybe when we get inside. Again, I ain't been out here in probably about 10 years. So, somewhere I used to come when I was mad young. Well, let's check the vibes. That's the theater. Looks like it's closed. Maybe some of this stuff is just not open, so we'll be back when we get inside. All right, so they got a yard house outside. Got some food options out here. Just letting y'all know if you're thinking about coming. Got some food options. They got cigar, Oasis cigar, Old Navy outlet. Looks like they got some outlets and some stuff outside. And again, we'll see what they got inside. All right, now I'm starting to see a bunch of people as I get closer to the inside. But I think this mall is pretty unique because it has an outside to it and it has an inside. So I think that's pretty dope. All right, so there's a New Balance, a Nordstrom, a Peruvian cuisine restaurant right here, right there. I think that's a ceviche. Perfumania, the baked bear ice cream. Just showing y'all some of the stuff they got on the outside. Off-Broadway shoe warehouse. Yeah. Off-Broadway shoe warehouse. They got, what's that? Guess? Is that something? Alright. So a lot of the warehouse type stuff are outside. Okay, you got Ralph Lauren right here. Polo right there. I don't know what that is. You got some outside vendors right here. Pretty cool. I'm so sorry. My fault. Alright. Got some vendors outside. It's so different for me coming outside because, man, it's just different. Put it that way. Polo look righteous. Go check that out. My brother went ham in there. So you got Reebok. What else? Some other stuff, I don't know. Jewelry stores and stuff. All right, so I'm about to go inside. All right, so got the event, the party, whatever, coming up in October. Trying to find me a little outfit, something simple. I ain't tripping. I know it's gonna be hot in DR, so I'm trying to find a little something. And I'm also working on my wardrobe because I gave away all my clothes. Literally at this point, I got another stack to give away of clothes, but I'm giving them all away. Nothing fits, so piece by piece, I gotta build back up, my closet, my wardrobe. So out here, hopefully I can find a little something. Maybe a fit for the party, maybe not. Maybe not. So anyways, I'm inside. Vibes. So it's a huge mall, like I said. Hopefully they don't trip on me recording inside. This is not public. This is private, so if they got an issue, then I must shut it down. But let's see. Oh, they got a Burlington, Brooks Brothers. They got a lot of stuff. Wow, okay. Yeah, it's pretty packed. It's pretty packed in here. Burlington, deals, brands. I'll check that out in another moment. But right now, Burlington got security. Burlington got security on deck like he was police. But all right, cool. A lot more people in here. Makes sense as to why it's hard to find parking outside. So you got these little stands where they're gonna try to sell you something. Typically, some luggage, random luggage in the middle of the floor. Then the machines, yes, they do have Coke Zero. T-Mobile, oh snap. I should make a pit stop in there. Pay a bill. Alright. Type. Yeah, why not? I always buy a pair of glasses and then I just end up never really using them. So it don't even make sense. Calvin Klein. Aunt Annie's. I can't even eat that type of stuff. There's some cool hats here. Miami. Okay. No, I'm a hat guy, so. Spencer's. Box Lunch? What is that? At a store called Box Lunch. Oh no, I never heard of this. Okay, I think I catch the vibe. Got stuff like Zelda shirts and stuff like that. Graphic tee type vibe. Okay, I think I'm good. You just feel the culture a little different out here than a lot different than where I grew up. Oh, there you go. It's like one of those urban stores. Shirts be like $100. Foot Locker. Typical. I got enough shoes for now. Some jewelry stand. Lids. Oh, they probably got all the fly hats in here. I think I done stocked up on enough hats for a little while. I think I'm cool, but you can never have enough. Might come back and catch them slipping. Columbia clearance store. Does Columbia have good clothes? Not Colombia, Columbia. See the difference? Columbia. This is Columbia clothing brand. 70% off, but what do they got though? That's the real question. What do you got? Alright, big wide food court. They got green leaves, burrito bowls and stuff. They got pizza. They got Cajun grill, Chinese food. They got Burger King, Popeye, all type of stuff. And then there's a Vitamin World over there. I might actually go over there. So I might go get some supplements, some omega-3 fish oil. Even though I haven't taken any, I've been told to take some. But anyway, this place is called Shoe Palace. SP Shoe Palace. So, alright, we're about to go into this Shoe Palace. Man. I got some shoes. These look not bad. Just these days, man, I'm just stuff that I can wear to the gym type. These hard, right? So what? No. These are kind of hard. Got foam. I'm like, I actually think this is kind of dope right here. This little fit right here. Go with the shorts. Good. As hot as it is, man, type of stuff I'm be wearing all summer. They got BrandsMart USA. You already know it's like a electronics store. But yeah, I've been to BrandsMart. You already know what they got: TVs, electronics, phones, all that good stuff. Memory cards, iPads. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm not on the market for electronics like that. I'm cool. Argentina, Brazil, Canada, Germany, USA. Chance. Alright, chance is like the same. Alright, this store is called Racing Miami. Oh, this is literally like something racing. No deal, dude. No.
For you?
Let's go from that.
I really want to play.
You ain't say nothing. Thought security was gonna book me, boy. Thought they was gonna cook me and book me. I guess.
I'm not doing that.
What is called? BYLT. I don't know what that is, what that means. Look fuego though. Look prestige in that mug.